Want to know how to master Facebook ads? Today, you're in the right place. In the digital age, advertising on platforms like Facebook is no longer an option, but a necessity. With billions of active users worldwide, Facebook offers a unique opportunity for businesses to reach a wide and diverse audience. Whether you're a small local business or a multinational corporation, Facebook ads can significantly increase your visibility and ultimately your bottom line. In this tutorial, we're going to peel back the layers of Facebook advertising. We'll start by setting up your Facebook Business Manager. Then, we'll walk you through creating your first ad, targeting your audience, setting your budget, and tracking your results. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to navigate the Facebook ads landscape and how to make it work for your business. So, ready to dive into the world of Facebook ads? Let's get started. The first step to mastering Facebook ads is setting up the Facebook Business Manager. But what is it exactly? Well, friends, the Facebook Business Manager is a one-stop shop for managing all your Facebook marketing and advertising activities. It's a powerful tool that allows you to control multiple ad accounts, pages, catalogs, and pixels, all from one central hub. It's like the command center for your Facebook marketing efforts. What's great about the Business Manager is that it helps keep your business separate from your personal Facebook profile. No need to worry about accidentally posting a cat video on your company's page when you meant to share it with your Aunt Susan. Now let's talk about some of the benefits. First off, it provides a higher level of security. You can control who has access to your assets and what level of permission they have. This means you can keep your business information safe and secure. Additionally, it provides a clear overview of your ad's performance, helping you make data-driven decisions. So, how do you set it up? It's easier than you might think. First, head over to business.facebook.com and click the big blue Create Account button. You'll then be asked to log in to your Facebook account. Next, you'll need to enter your business name, your name and work email address, and then click Next. You'll then be asked to enter your business details, including your address and website. After you've entered all the necessary information, click Submit. Facebook will then review your information, which can take up to 48 hours. Once approved, you'll receive a notification and you can start using the Business Manager. Remember, you can add people to your Business Manager and assign them roles, whether they're an employee, a partner, or an agency. Just click on Business Settings, then People, and then Add. And there you have it. You've set up your Facebook Business Manager. It's your command center, your fortress of solitude for all things Facebook marketing. Now that you've set up your Business Manager, it's time to create your first ad. Creating your first ad can seem daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward. Let's dive in and break it down step by step. The first thing you need to do is head over to Facebook's Ads Manager. Once you're there, you'll notice a green button that says Create. Click on it. This is where the magic begins. You're now faced with a choice. What's your marketing objective? Are you looking to boost your posts, promote your page, send people to your website, or something else? Choose the one that aligns with your goals. Next up, you'll have to name your campaign. Keep it descriptive so you'll know what it is at a glance. And don't worry, you can change this later if you need to. Now let's get creative. It's time to design your ad. Facebook offers a variety of formats, from single image or video to a carousel of multiple images. Choose the one that best tells your story. The next step is to write your ad copy. This is the text that accompanies your ad. It should be compelling and concise, and it should tell your audience exactly what you want them to do. Do you want them to shop now, learn more, or sign up? Make it clear. Now, onto the visuals. You can upload your own images or videos, or use Facebook's stock images. Remember, this is what people will see first, so make sure it's eye-catching. Finally, you'll need to choose where your ad will be displayed on Facebook. You can have it appear in the news feed, in the right column, or in the stories. Each placement has its pros and cons, so choose wisely. Once you're happy with your ad, click Confirm. Facebook will review your ad, and if it meets their guidelines, it will start running. And there you go. You've created your first ad. But how do you make sure it reaches the right people? That's what we'll cover in the next scene. Stay tuned. Scene script. Targeting is the key to successful Facebook ads. Let's see how to get your ad in front of the right eyes. So why is targeting so significant? Well, Imagine throwing a dart without aiming. You might hit the board, but the chances of hitting the bullseye are pretty slim. In the same way, if you don't target your ads, you're likely to waste a lot of resources reaching people who aren't interested in your product or service. Now let's dive into the world of Facebook's targeting options. Facebook offers a plethora of options to make sure your AD reaches the most relevant audience. You can target based on demographics like age, gender, and location. You can also target based on interests. Say you're selling fitness equipment, you might want to target people who have shown an interest in fitness and health, but that's not all. Facebook also allows you to target based on behaviors. For example, if you're an e-commerce store, you might target people who have recently made online purchases. And if you're a local business, you could target people who have recently moved into your area. One of the most powerful targeting tools Facebook offers is the lookalike audience feature. This allows you to reach new people who are likely to be interested in your business because they're similar to your best existing customers. It's like finding a whole new group of people who are likely to love what you offer. Remember, targeting is not about excluding people. Rather, it's about focusing your ad spend on those who are most likely to respond to your message and become customers. It's about finding the bullseye in your dartboard. So spend some time exploring these targeting options, test different combinations, and keep track of what works and what doesn't. Remember, the better you're targeting, the better your return on investment will be. With proper targeting, your ad will reach the people most likely to be interested in your product or service. But what about the budget? Setting your budget is a crucial step in the ad creation process. Let's dive into it. When setting your budget, you have two options: daily or lifetime. A daily budget is the average amount you're willing to spend each day over the duration of your ad schedule. On the other hand, a lifetime budget is the total amount you're willing to spend over the lifespan of your ad set or campaign. Now here's a pro tip. To maximize your results within a budget, consider the time of day and the days of the week your target audience is most active on Facebook. Running your ads during these peak times can lead to more engagements and conversions, giving you more bang for your buck. Remember, your budget should align with your advertising goals. If you want to reach a larger audience, you might need to allocate more funds. A well-set budget will ensure that your ad campaign is cost-effective. Now let's talk about tracking the results. Tracking your results is the final step in mastering Facebook ads. Now let's demystify this process. Facebook provides a powerful suite of analytics tools designed to help you understand the performance of your ads. These tools are your keys to unlocking insights that can drive your business forward. In the Facebook Business Manager, you'll find the Ads Manager. This is your command center for tracking the performance of your campaigns. Here you can view a multitude of metrics that measure the effectiveness of your ads. These metrics include reach, impressions, clicks, conversion rate, and many more. Reach tells you how many unique users saw your ad. Impressions reveal the total number of times your ad was displayed. Clicks show the number of times people interacted with your ad, while conversion rate indicates the percentage of clicks that resulted in a desired action, like a purchase. Understanding these metrics is crucial, but it's just the start. You'll also need to know how to interpret them. For instance, a high number of impressions but a low number of clicks could suggest your ad is being seen, but it's not enticing enough to drive engagement. Another vital tool in your arsenal is the Facebook Pixel. This is a piece of code installed on your website that tracks actions taken by users after they've clicked on your ad. It allows you to see if your ads are leading to the desired outcomes, such as sales or signups. But remember, it's not just about numbers. It's about understanding the story they tell about your audience's behavior and your ad's performance. Use these insights to optimize your campaigns, test different strategies, and ultimately make data-driven decisions. By tracking your results, you can continuously improve your ads and achieve better results. So, don't let the numbers intimidate you. Embrace them, learn from them, and let them guide your journey to mastering Facebook ads. So you've set up your business manager, created your first ad, targeted your audience, set your budget, and learned how to track your results. Quite a journey we've been on, eh? Let's take a moment to look back on what we've covered. First, we dove into the world of Facebook ads, understanding its importance in today's digital marketing landscape. Then we got our hands dirty by setting up the Business Manager. Once that was in place, we crafted our first ad, making sure to highlight the value of compelling visuals and engaging copy. We didn't stop there. We went on to discuss audience targeting, ensuring that our ads reach the right people at the right time. And of course, we covered budgeting, because effective marketing doesn't have to break the bank. Finally, we learned how to track our results, giving us valuable insights to improve our future campaigns. Mastering Facebook ads may seem complicated, but with practice, it becomes a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. So go ahead, start creating your ads now.